Hi everyone, it's Maggie again. Last time I introduced how to debug the LED modules after splicing via the data exchange function in the LedInCloud system. This episode we are using the Novastar system. It works a bit differently, so let's get started. Before operation, please connect our device properly. Set the computer display mode to duplicate and set the display scaler to 100%. The Pixel Pitch 2.5 standard LED module is used in this video. The receiving card is Novastar MRV412. It features 12 hub 75 interfaces. Each hub port has 2 data groups. There are 24 data groups in total. Next, install the modules. A total of 6 modules are used in this demonstration. Arranged in 2 widths by 3 heights configuration. Connect modules to receiving card sequentially. Open Nova LCT and log in. Enter screen configuration. Import the configuration file in the receiver card interface. This is the pixel count of a single module. We need to fill in the overall screen dimension. After filling in the values, the system returned an error prompt. Because the current configuration does not support this voice, select Data Group Extension in More Settings. Since the screen is 2 modules wide, select Symmetrical Outputs. If the screen is 3 modules wide, you need to select Triple Strip Outputs. The Novastar MRV412 has 24 data groups, so check the box for 24 data groups. After setting up the Symmetrical Outputs, the error prompt disappeared. Then proceed to modify the screen height value and send to receiving card. Move the mouse to the top left corner of the computer screen. Observe the display status of the LED modules. It can be observed that only the left-hand column of modules is displaying normally, while the right-hand column is displaying blank content. In such cases, the Data Group Exchange function will be required. Click on Data Group Exchange button. Check Enable Data Exchange and reset date. Assign the corresponding numbers based on the hub port to which the modules is connected. Leave the blank field without entering numbers, then send and apply. Test again and find that the modules in the bottom right corner still display abnormally. The issue may lie with the screen connection file, so let's check it. Enter the screen connection interface. We are using only one receiving card, so reset the arrangement here. Select 1 for the Ethernet port number. Enter the pixel count of the current cabinet here. Then select this area. Finally, send to hardware. Now the information has been successfully saved. The screen displayed normally. After configuring the settings, please ensure to click the Save button. Now assuming port 6 is damaged, connect it to any available idle ports. We have switched it to port 9. Let's see what happens after we change the ports. First, let's test the display performance of the module. The bottom right module with port changed is displaying abnormally. We need to use the data group exchange function again. Earlier, we assumed that port 6 was damaged and switched it to port 9. So just assign the corresponding data group to the port. Since we have changed the data group numbers, duplicate numbers have now occurred. Therefore, we also need to modify these duplicate numbers or reset and reassign numbers by ports. Remember, the 25 data groups must have unique numbers with no duplicates. Send it and apply. The display is still abnormal. Check the screen connecting file again. All parameters are correct. We just need to send the configuration once more. And the cabinet is now displaying normally. Okay, that's all for today. Next time we'll continue with the color light system demo. Follow us for more useful content. See you next time. Bye.